Living in the condo capital of the world, there's 5 things that we need to know up front if you're listing a condo or if you're a buyer wanting to buy a condo. It's important to know these up front so you know what buyer to take or what condo to purchase if you are a buyer. So the 5 things are: first, start with, has the building done a structural integrity report? If it has, it's very important to understand if there are any critical repairs going on in the building. If there are currently any critical repairs, the building may be deemed unsafe and unfinanceable, and that may be required to go to a cash transaction. 2, are there any open assessments? Open assessments can really determine what's going on with the building, so it's very important to know, are there any open assessments and what are they for? 3, litigations. Are there any open litigations? And we need to get a copy of that to see what's going on with the building to make sure that there's no catastrophic financial situation going on, or again, any type of critical repair we need to be aware of. 4 is the budget. We need to get the budget and make sure that it meets certain criteria based on the buyer's financing. For example, if they're trying to put a low down payment, the budget needs to have 10% of the annual revenue going into reserves. Also, in today's environment, it's very common to get a reserve study. Ask for the reserve study up front. Many buildings have them now based on their structural integrity reports. They've had to complete these reserve studies. 5th is the master policy. Make sure you get that master policy up front. That's a big thing in today's market because in the current insurance market, condos have had to take higher deductibles to obtain financing. And if it's more than a 5% deductible, we may need to find a non-warrantable lender that can close on that transaction. And we do those all the time. But get the master policy up front. Again, knowing these 5 things up front allows us to know what buyer to take on your listing or what offer to make on a condo if you are a buyer. It can really save a lot of time and money. If you have any questions on condos, please reach us here at the Gulfstream team. We understand the market well. We've thrown ourselves into it. We want to be of service to you. We look forward to talking to you real soon.